Hi, in today's video I will be demonstrating how to make a self-building boat in the April Fool's snapshot. So, first you need a pillar of any kind. It doesn't need to be redstone. I just used redstone because I'm in creative and I don't want to get a different material. So you need a platform like this, and you need to go over here and you need to dig out a hole, place some thrusters or flotators, and put this, specifically this, a fence post, because a fence post doesn't get dragged with it. And then this will quickly go up here, stopped by this, and will attach to this, and it will go, and this will stay here. And then let me demonstrate what exactly happens. So you need to break that small bit underneath, and then you activate this. The redstone goes away, it gets activated, you start sailing. See? Simple, and it built itself a boat. So that's actually kind of cool. I figured this out on my own. So now let me demonstrate how to build it. So you don't have to put it here, or you can put it here too. All that's important is that you can put it anywhere actually. So let me demonstrate. Let's make it like that, because it will attach if it's directly above. I'm pretty sure. So now I have to make sure that they're the correct way. Unlike that one. Now you break this, and then you get this. Now you want to rebuild this pillar. No, rebuild the platform for the pillar. Now you get something that doesn't conduct, and put the thrusters there. Then you put the lever here, and you put the redstone down. And now you break the below block. It's recommended that the below block be something weak, so that you can get it done fast. Then you get on, and this is how, well, the fastest version of it would be. See? Now I'm going to go find the other prototypes that I built. They went out of my simulation distance, so they kind of stopped. This is the first one that I built. That's the second, and that's the third. That's the one I launched recently. So now there should be more that just went off into the distance somewhere. Other different versions. Oh wait, those are the only versions he made. Let's just go back. So yeah, I think the flotators are a really good add to Minecraft. So if Mojang were to add it, it would be a good idea, I think. It would be good for redstone. Here's the one we recently built. I showed you how to build that. So let's go back. We're back here. And this is one of the things. I also discovered you can flotate portals. You can't do paintings, but you can do stuff like that, like mid-air switches. Now there's some other stuff that I was working on. Like this. And this. And that thing right there, which should have been long gone by now. Oh, this was the one that went too high. Yeah, it's just been going like this. So, yeah. I rate this a 9 out of 10 because it doesn't activate properly when you have it next to blocks. Like that. It's not gonna activate like that. Oh wait, that activated. Here's another one. Oh, this is the basic boat that I built. So how you want to build that is you gotta do this, and now you just add on to it. And now you want to add the lever to the back, and once you're ready you pull the lever. Wait, that wasn't how it was supposed to go. That's not right. Yeah, I don't think that was right, because before when I tried it, this happened. So yeah, I think there's a couple bugs here. With that, I'm going to make this tree say beep 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 beep. Oh wait. Wait, what about doing that? And this. And that. Trying to avoid making things complicated. But it looks too interesting to give up. So now I'm going to remove any attachments because this is enough. Let's see. Yeah, that looks like a good thing. Ah man, didn't work. Let's just do this. And now that tree is saying goodbye. And so am I. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. I'm going now.